All right, we're at the, I think this is the Sandpiper, and look, we've got an elevator. It does not go all the way up for some reason, but we do have an elevator and it's glass. Looks like another Mowrey, so we'll give it a ride, huh? There's the swimming pool, looks like. Let's start on the ground floor. Those guys were in a hurry. There's the trend of poorly locked machine rooms continues. No, that one actually locks. Can we see it coming down? Oh no, here it is already. It's another modded one. I like the tiki hut style thing on the inside. You can't see shit out of this thing. Oh, a little bit. Why do no down chimes work on these Mowrey elevators? This is the third one I've been on and the down chime doesn't work. It's a bit dark. All right. Let's really quickly try and see if we can film the elevator as it goes up. And there it is. And there it goes. Anyway, that will be it.